welcome to our channel. Today we are going to attempt this new problem called making anagrams. I am very near to my 6 star, so if you guys want me to keep adding more videos, I know I've been a little lethargic on that part, but if you want me to keep adding videos and adding new problems again and again, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. The premise of this problem is very simple. We have two strings, string S1 and S2, and what we need to calculate is the minimum number of deletions which is required in both S1 and S2 to make it an anagram. So if you see this example S1 and S2, this has A as common, right? So M and OP we need to remove from S2 and BC we need to remove from S1 to make it an anagram. So in this case, the total number of deletions would be 6, right? So this is how the whole problem wants us to do. And to do this, I have done my standard integer conversion of a string, and I have used the ASCII value of the letters to convert the string into an array which counts the number of instances of every character in the string. So to do that, we'll go to the Eclipse now. So to do that, this is one standard line of code which I use. So here what I have done is I am taking the character at a specific instance. I am converting it to int. What this part of the code will do is it will convert any character to its equivalent ASCII value. Like for example, small a, it will convert to 97. And we know that 97 is the ASCII value of the small letter a. So to convert it to an array, what I've done is I'm just subtracting 97 from it. So 0th position in my array of S1 link and S2 link would be the number of occurrences of A in S1 and S2 respectively. And what I'm doing is I'm just incrementing it by 1 every time I encounter the specific character. So what this will do is this will give me this, for this it will just count the number of instances of every character and give it to me as an array. And uh, the second for loop, right? This one here, it will do the same thing for S2. So after this, I will have this array with me, these two arrays with me, okay, which will be having the indexes, the count of every single character in it. After this, the only thing that I need to do is I need to calculate the absolute difference of these characters to get the number of deletions required. So if A here is occurring twice and here 0 times, so unless I remove two instances of A from S1, I won't be able to convert it to an anagram. So this is the absolute difference column, and after this, what I need to do is I will just need to add it to get the number of characters which needs to be deleted from S1 and S2 to convert it to a anagram. So this is what I have done here. I'm just getting the absolute differences for every occurrences of a character, and I'm just adding it to the output. Okay. So I will just copy paste this code here. This is some extra code I have written earlier, but this is not required. So I will just do a run here, and I think and a submit now. This will make sure that my use cases will pass. Yeah, and sorry, this is one example which we need to take a look at. So if you see here, uh, this is how I am doing it. These are my strings. I am counting the occurrences of each character by doing a conversion to its ASCII value by typecasting to int, and then subtracting the ASCII value of the first letter A, which is 97, from it to get the index in the array, and incremented it by 1 for every character. So for A, first this is I will be incrementing the index 0 For rest of the fields, I will be in for rest of the characters, I will be incrementing their specific indexes in the array